Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport at Carrying. But today I've got a Porsche 996 there, it's all done. Just waiting to finish this part here. So we got this part here. So the customer bought this from RENNLINE. It's called a front bumper wire mesh grill kit. So if you look at the actual weights, the instruction looks. It's very confusing to some people because sometimes they're looking for something that's already there. So remember, there's no screw hole, there's nothing at all. You've got to fit this. So I'm just showing you. All you gotta do is grab it like that, how they show it here. Make sure you got the cutout there, fit it in there, just put it in there, put a little mark if you want. I put a little mark there so I don't actually so I can actually line it up properly. And then you put a screw here. Just all you gotta do is force it in the screw there, force it in here, one there, one there, one there. Middle one, same thing. Put the screws here in the middle, put one here as well, put one here as well, like that. One there, and one there, and one there. So I'm just showing you guys how to do this one. So I left those two screws left, one, that one, and that one out, so I can actually show you if you're not really confident how to do it. But you gotta make sure when you finish, get your screwdriver and just run it around here to bend all the actual mesh inwards, like this one here. See the bottom one here? Just run it like that. And then what it does, it bends the actual mesh inwards, so the actual because you need the actual rubber duct to go around here, around there, and around there. So for the radiators. So this is the left radiator, right radiator, and this is the middle radiator if you do have one. But with this car here, I have fitted a new middle radiator. So let me see. I'll show you how to do it. So what you gotta do, get the screw like this. Get your hand in there, and don't get scared. Make sure you just grab it like that, and you just go like this. Hold it and then just screw it in there as hard as you can, like rough, a bit rough, otherwise you will never go through you will never make a hole. But once the screw starts, that's it, just like that. Keep going like that until it stops. Then you do the other one as well, same thing, this side here. Grab it, and your whole aim is to just do it up. The screw is just there to hold the mesh, alright? Just like that, all the way down until it stops. Once it stops, you get the screwdriver, just bend down a little bit there, like this, like that, like that, like that, like that. Just like that. Yep. So now I'll put one there, this one here, just mark it here again so you know it's nice and straight. And then you put some screw here, screw here, screw here. Don't worry about the instruction. What they say is you get confused and you just do it up like this until it stops, like that, like that. And you gotta hold it with your hand because this side here is not on the trestle until it stops again. And then this side here as well. This one here is a bit sideways, so I'll take it off again. Oh yeah, it's alright. Just gonna force it up. Like that. So you gotta watch it, because you don't want the plastic to be sideways. So I just start up again. Just like this. Press pause. Just roughly like this. Like this. Like this. And you sort of work your way down. And you've got to do just two more, one there, like that one there. So three more, 1, 2, 3. So you just put one here, and then one here, and one there. Alright. So basically it's gonna look like that. and then I'll do another video when I finish, when the bar's on. Okay, so don't get scared, just grab the mesh, put it on there, and then start screwing on the screw, and then you get it done. So the more you look at the actual instruction, the more you get confused, but just look at the way I do it. Doesn't really matter how you do it. You put one there, you can put one there if you want, you can put more if you want. So I might put like 2 more screws. I might put an extra screw there, an extra screw there, and same here. I might put another extra, maybe 2 more extra screws here and 2 more extra screws there. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.